Just listen carefully and pay close attention.
How does laughter affect your mood?
It instantly lifts my spirits and makes me forget about problems for a while.
When was the last time you laughed really hard?
Just yesterday, when I watched the funny video with my friend.
Who usually makes you laugh the most?
My best friend, because of her silly jokes and funny expressions.
What kind of humor do you enjoy?
I enjoy light and clever humor, not something mean or hurtful.
Can laughter bring people closer?
Yes, sharing a laugh creates a bond and makes conversations easier.
Have you ever laughed at the wrong time?
Yes, once during class, and it was so hard to stop.
What happens to stress when people laugh?
It usually fades away, and the body feels more relaxed.
Which movies or shows make you laugh the most?
Sitcoms like Friends or funny family shows always make me laugh.
How does laughter help in difficult times?
It gives strength, hope, and reminds me not to take everything too seriously.
Can laughter improve health?
Yes, it can lower stress and even make the heart healthier.
Why is laughter important in friendships?
Because it keeps the friendship fun and helps us enjoy each other's company.
How do you feel after a good laugh?
I feel lighter, happier, and full of energy.
Are there people who rarely laugh?
Yes, some people are too serious, but even they smile when something is truly funny.
Is laughter the best medicine?
In many ways, yes. It heals sadness and makes the day brighter.
Can children teach adults to laugh more?
Absolutely. Kids laugh freely and remind us not to overthink.
What's the funniest memory you can recall?
Once my cousin slipped on the floor, but laughed at himself, and everyone joined in.
How is laughter different from just smiling?
Smiling is gentle, but laughter is louder and more freeing.
How does laughter change a boring day?
It turns it into something memorable and fun, even if nothing big happened.
Can laughter break tension in a room?
Yes, one good laugh can make everyone feel relaxed and comfortable.
Why should we laugh more often?
Because life is short and laughter makes the journey much more joyful.
How do you react when someone tells a silly joke?
I usually laugh, even if it's not that funny, because it shows kindness.
What role does laughter play in family life?
It keeps the home warm, happy, and full of positive energy.
Is laughter common in your culture?
Yes, people here often laugh while talking or eating together.
What happens in the body when we laugh?
The muscles relax, the mind calms down, and breathing feels easier.
Have you ever laughed until you cried?
Yes, and it was one of the best feelings ever.
Why does laughter sound different for everyone?
Because each person has a unique voice and way of expressing joy.
How do comedians make people laugh?
They use timing, clever words, and funny situations from real life.
Is it possible to fake laughter?
Yes, but real laughter always feels and sounds more natural.
Can laughter be contagious?
Definitely. When one person starts laughing, others join in without even knowing why.
How can laughter improve teamwork?
It reduces stress, builds trust, and helps everyone feel connected.
What situations make you laugh unexpectedly?
When something silly happens suddenly, like someone mispronouncing a word.
Why do people laugh nervous?
Because laughter sometimes hides fear or stress.
How do children's laughs make adults feel?
They sound pure and innocent, and they instantly brighten the mood.
Are there health programs that use laughter?
Yes, some places have laughter therapy to help people heal.
What sounds funnier, jokes or funny actions?
For me, funny actions are often funnier because they surprise me more.
How does laughter help in making new friends?
It breaks the ice and makes talking feel natural.
Can you control your laughter in serious moments?
Not always. Sometimes it just comes out even when I shouldn't laugh.
Why do funny memories stay longer?
Because they are connected with strong emotions and happiness.
How do you feel when you make others laugh?
I feel proud and glad that I could make someone's day better.
What's the best thing about laughter?
That it's free, simple, and can change any moment into something joyful.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.